In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close, end, or stop a Microsoft form, survey, or quiz by turning off responses. Whether you're wrapping up a project or needing to pause data collection, this guide will ensure you can do it smoothly and efficiently. To start, let's navigate to Microsoft Forms by heading over to forms.office.com. Here, you'll need to sign in using your Microsoft 365 credentials. Make sure you have your login information ready to go. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where all your forms are listed. Look through your existing forms and locate the one you wish to close. You can do this by either searching for it in the search bar or by scrolling through your list. Once you've found your form, click on it to open. Now let's move on to accessing the necessary settings. Look towards the top right corner of your form. You'll see three small dots. This is the More Form Settings button. Go ahead and click those dots. A drop-down menu will appear presenting you with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This step is crucial because it brings you to the settings pane where form functionality is controlled. In the settings pane, you should notice an option labeled Accept Responses. This is the key to controlling whether or not you want to continue collecting data. It's quite straightforward here. Simply uncheck the box next to Accept Responses. By doing this, you're effectively closing the form to any further submissions or interactions. This action prevents anyone from submitting responses from that point forward. Now, while it's not mandatory, it's often a good practice to communicate any changes to the users accessing your form. You might want to explain why the form is no longer accepting submissions, especially if it's time sensitive or part of a larger project. So let's consider adding a custom message. Right under the Accept Responses option, you'll find a space where you can type a personal message to inform your audience. This message could be as simple as "The survey is now closed. Thank you for your participation." It adds a level of professionalism and clarity, letting respondents know what's happened. And there you have it. From logging in and finding your form to accessing the settings and turning off responses, these steps will help you effectively manage your data collection needs. Remember, with Microsoft Forms, you have a range of tools at your disposal to ensure that your form behaves exactly how you want it to. If you have questions or run into any issues, Microsoft's support resources are always available to help you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.